Hey everyone, if you have incorporated a business in Canada, you already know the paperwork never really stops. But here is the thing nobody talks about. How to initiate a dissolution, because that's how Corporation Canada officially knows you are dissolving. I have organized everything you might need as a business owner. And here are the video title. You'll find this series on link in the description.
This is the link to the website. This link will be there in the description, or you can search by coming to Corporation Canada online filing center, and here you can see all the services, how much it cost. In some cases there are charges, and in some cases they are free. Once you click on sign in, come to this page. Here you see, to access the service you must sign in or create an account using one of the following option. One is GC key, and this will allow you to conduct online business with various government program and services. The other one is sign in partner, where you access government service using your online bank or participating sign in partner with Interact. Here I will be going with GC key, and I have made a video on how to do the sign up for the first time. In case you are not able to do this, you can go and check that out. Once you click on GC key, if you're doing for the first time, this is where you will come and sign up and enable the service. That I have the username and password, I'm entering that, and then sign in. You come to this page and click continue. Now that you are here back in the page and you have logged in, you will be able to see everything just like before, but this is on your logged in page. To dissolve a corporation, you see this is free, and once you click here in the article of dissolution, you will see your corporate name, status, and all other detail. In my case, I have more than one corporation, so you will have to select the corporation which you want to dissolve. Once that is selected, click next. Here on this page, property and liabilities. Does the company currently have property or liability? You'll have to make a selection. Here in my case, I'm selecting no, and let me first click yes and click next. Here you see, since you have indicated that the company currently has property or liability, since the corporation still has property or liability, it cannot apply for dissolution at this time. All of corporation's property must be distributed and all of its liabilities must be discharged before corporation can apply for dissolution. So this is a requirement. And here it also says you may want to consult a lawyer or business professional to advise you further at this point. You may also want to consider applying for certificate of intent to dissolve. Let me click here, certificate of intent to dissolve. Here you see a certificate of intent to dissolve is issued by Corporation Canada upon corporation proposing its voluntary liquidation and dissolution under section 211 of CBCA. On the date shown in the certificate, the corporation must cease to carry on business except to the extent necessary for liquidation of the corporation. However, its corporate existence continues under Corporations Canada issues a certificate of dissolution. What is happening when you are doing this intent of dissolve? Once you file this, corporation enters the winding up phase. You stop your normal business, only activities that are allowed, say paying debts, selling assets, closing account. These are some of the example. And then you also get the legal protection. This is when the legal protection begins. Creditors are officially on notice, and directors reduce risk of future liability claims. Then you must notify the creditor, sometimes publish notice depending on your situation, and give them time to claim anything that is owned, and then you file the final dissolution, which is after everything is cleared, file article of dissolution, and then the corporation is officially closed. So this is the reason why you may need a professional to get with this activity in case you have any assets or any of the debts what was shown. If you have any money, asset, or possible liability, you will have to use the intent to dissolve first. When I select no and click next, step 1 is the contact information. So you check the first name, last name, telephone, email, and then click next. Step 2 is the article of dissolution, and here once I click I confirm that the company is not insolvent or bankrupt. This is what is the confirmation I am giving here. And if it is insolvent or bankrupt, you cannot apply for dissolution under this provision. And then there are three of the statement. You'll have to choose which one is applicable to you. The first one, I confirm that company name has not issued shares and that the directors have approved the dissolution under subsection 210. This is the subsection, and this option is typically used by corporations that have never issued shares. So I'm going to select this. The other two options are has no property and no liability and these shareholders have approved the dissolution under subsection 210. The subsection is mentioned here. This option is typically used by corporations that have never been active. So if it has never been active, then this is the selection, and has distributed all of its property and discharged all of its liability, and that the shareholder have approved the resolution under subsection what is mentioned here. This option is typically used by corporations that have been active and have dealt with all of their property and liabilities. We come down, and in the corporate record it's the name, company address and all of those detail, and then authorization, here name, telephone number, and I understand that I will no longer be able to modify corporation information such as director, registered office address after dissolving this corporation. So once you have gone through this, click next. I'm not going ahead with the next step. In the next step, you will review whatever you have entered and then print and sign the document, and that's how the article of dissolution is done.